The Bainbridge.
All walk-on passengers, please head up to the top deck and you'll be walking off on the top ramp. All passengers with your motor vehicles, please head down to your vehicles and get in them and get ready to disembark the vessel. Bainbridge Island, we're arriving here at Bainbridge Island. Thank you for riding your Washington State Ferry.
So, it's made out of 4 ounces of 55% certified organic cotton, 45% TENCEL. Softer than soft. You're not even gonna know you're wearing it. Casual fit, button-up shirt. It's got a fold-over camp collar with button loop closure. Let's dive into this little. What's a camp collar? Well, it's this collar that feels like super open and free when you're on vacation and you're relaxing. And if you're not on vacation, then put this shirt on so you feel like you're on vacation, so you can go to vacation in your mind. And then if you want to like button it all the way up, it's got this cool little loop that goes around the top button. So yeah, that's the fold-over camp collar, and it's got a button loop closure. It's got a back-biased yoke panel right down that center back hem, and it's got some bottom hem side vents for loose mobility when you're on your vacation, sipping a Mai Tai, or you're sipping a Mai Tai not on vacation, or you're just drinking a LaCroix or some kombucha. Relax yourself, and that is the Bainbridge. Some people say it's got stupid soft fabric, but we don't like to say stupid at my house, so we like to say frustratingly soft fabric. I'm not really sure. Oh, looks like I just got an email from the shirt. It's on vacation. Yep, the Bainbridge says, hey, doing great. Lots of love from Maui. Bainbridge. Yep, the Bainbridge. Frustratingly soft fabric that's hard to understand. Such a fun shirt, it feels like you're on vacation and you want to just cheer everyone on because you're having such a good time and you're in a positive mood. Be free in your free time. The Bainbridge.